Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ako po si Nasip Marimbang Abdullah. So, ang napili kong isosolve ay ang exercise 1.64, ang number 3. So, first we apply direct substitution. So, lim x approaches negative 1. So, jx to 1x plus 1 equals to 1 negative 1 plus 1 equal to. So since the denominator is 0, then it is equal to infinity. So let's check if the function does exist or does not exist. So let's check one side the limit. Plus 1 equals to 0 negative. So the limit is approaches to the left. So it is equal to negative infinity since quad left. Nakarating na sa kalaman ni Toto na kudadato ang sinapit ng kanyang asawa kasama. Agad siyang nakahiram ng isang helicopter upang matuntun ang inaroroonan ng convoy. Pagdating niya sa ere malapit sa sitio Masalay, narinig ko na sa lari ng ugong ng helicopter at sila'y nagpulasan. Iniwan ang kanilang bukay at mga bangkay. So, the limit is approaching to the not right. It is equal to positive infinity. So, therefore, lim x approaches negative 1, jx does not exist. So, since the function goes to positive to negative infinity, then this is an essential continuity. So, yun lang po. Thank you.